Hello class, Dr. Stevens here. Way back when the Earth's crust was still cooling and many believed that the Earth's surface was flat, I was in college, and like you, I had to do a number of research papers and such. And so we would use 3x5 cards to compile all of our resources and take notes on what was relevant in those resources, and then organize those cards and put them in categories and then try to make sense of them and then translate that information to the written narrative. Now it worked, but it was a bit cumbersome, and I have since become aware of a resource that I think will help you to avoid the prehistoric troubles that I once experienced. This is called a synthesis matrix. Now, as you can see on the left-hand column, there you would list the sources that you are using, and in this case I've got 8 there, and then across the rows you would identify the various topics, subtopics that you encounter within that resource. So as you read through a resource and identify the important points, you would list them here on this page, and then when you're done with all of them, you would look at that visually and identify where various emerging themes come together, so that you could start identifying what seems to be the most relevant pieces of all of the different resources that you've taken a look at. Now, this is not an assignment. This is just meant to be a helpful resource to you. I've posted this document along with its instructions in Module 12, so I invite you to open that module and access this document, and you can just fill it in using your computer. You don't have to print it or anything. Save it as a Word file, and start using it to compile your thoughts and organize your narrative for your literature review. Now, I forgot what I was going to say.